Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a simple song by SINACH. It's her new release and it's played in a key of C sharp. Alright, so it's just a simple progression. It's a 6, 4, 1, and then 5. Play your one like this. So that's it. If you're playing in any key, it's still the same. It's going to be your chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 1. So these are the chords that you're going to use. So it starts from a 4, then ends in a 1, goes to a 5, and then it comes to a 6. So this your 6, this your 4, this your 1, and then this your 5. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the link.